So let's open it up. PH1. That's what you need. And these are the screws. Simple Phillips. So it's doable. These two have to come out of as well. Okay, now this one have to pivot this way, and then it opens. The whole HF box is rusted, but inside that has to be good. This plug is a big problem. This one here. This one is a big problem. Switches are good. Contacts are great. That's very important. Oh, here. Oh, I will get you. But this one has to be repaired. How do I get from here? You have to dig out the whole assembly. Took the cap off. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4. So these 4 are out. And here is the assembly. Lots of shielding. And this is, it's closed here. So you have to break this out to get access to this. And these are the oxidized. So this one is shut. Reset and on off. Nintendo. Get this one off out of curiosity. So here we are. It looks really decent. Really decent. A lot of ceramic capacitors. They have microphonic properties. So if you hit them, they will give disturbance. Electrolytes are still good. They look good. The clock, the crystal. 26 megahertz. That's a CB, almost CB frequency. Here is something, I don't know. Old chips, 40 years old chips. Sharp. Maybe I should. So that's just, I will reassemble it later. I have to open this one to see if I can replace this one. Oh well, thank you Nintendo. You cannot open the front, the top of it, where you have access, because it is soldered here on the PCB. Oh well, thank you. So that was it. I will assemble it again. Contemporary solution to sand it. 180 is not too abrasive. I will sand it. Makes some time to test it, I mean, so I can test it quicker. A pro tip I learned: when you disassemble stuff and you have screws in plastic, go counterclockwise first, and then you will go fast in it. And why is